Hey everyone, did you know that the average savings account rate in America is less than half of 1%? Now, you might have one of those bank accounts that actually pays even worse than that. You can see, according to Google, just Googled this today, the average savings account in America pays 0.39 to zero point 0.4, so less than one half of 1%. And a lot of our clients we're finding are keeping way more than they should be in these low yield accounts or in their checking account, even worse, earning zero. So, how do we solve that? Well, the good news is, Advantage, we actually have a solution for you, introducing our high yield bank account. We got this account set up over a year ago. It's working fantastic. Our clients are loving it and earning thousands of dollars in interest. And so I want to share this with you to make sure you know how much money you're missing out on that you could be having with the money you have to keep liquid and safe and FDIC insured. So here it is. You go to vantageiws.com or vantagewealthstrategies.com. Go to products. Second to last option here in the products, you'll see the Vantage High Yield Bank Account, or HYBA. Now, you're going to see some details on here as far as minimum account opening deposits, things like that. That is flexible as well. So let us know if you'd like to see if you can keep a little bit less than that in there. And don't worry about it. If you started off with 25 or 50,000, whatever the number is, and if it dips below that, there's not going to be a fee. One of the things we found for the other high yield savings accounts that are available online is oftentimes they have all these gimmicks, like there's an annual fee, or it only pays the high interest rate for the first 5,000 or the first 10,000, and then it drops down significantly from there. All these little tricks. This is plain, simple, zero fees, zero account opening fees. And if your balance fluctuate, there's no penalty for it. You're going to still earn the full rate of return. And in our high yield standard account here, this one on the right, I will show you that. You click on the link, it gives you the fact sheet. The current rate is 3.23, so earning a fantastic rate. Typical FDIC insurance up to $250,000. Now, if you're a business owner and perhaps you have to keep quite a bit more liquid, let's say you own a construction company and you got to keep a lot of cash on hand to fund projects or manage payroll, whatever it might be. We also have this enhanced FDIC insured account, and you'll notice when you click on that one, it'll tell you the details there. But this one, FDIC insures up to $100 million in there. So you can keep a lot more money safe and liquid and earning productively. And this one pays a little less, 2.75 on the APY. All right. So there's the details there. Now, what you want to do to open the account, pretty obvious. You click on open account now. It'll take you to the account opening page. And you're going to want to bookmark this page. This is also where you go to log in once your account is set up. Now, the cool thing is when you go to new account, you actually will see that you actually have four options here. You can open this as an individual. You can open this jointly with your spouse. You can open this for your company, as I mentioned, the institutional, but you also can open it as a trust account. So if you have a living trust, you need to keep money liquid, safe, and insured there in the trust account, this is a great solution. And so you click whatever option applies to you. You're going to walk through these steps. They're very simple, pretty intuitive. At the end, once you've gone through it, it's going to link it to your existing checking account, whatever account you want to link it to transfer money in and out. Now, it'll prompt you to enter your online login credentials for whatever bank account you use. So you're going to need that. And then it uses the service called Plaid, a very well-known, very large, very reputable intermediary for connecting things online so you can transfer money. The way it does that is it'll also verify you by doing a couple test deposits. You got to punch those in a day or two later, letting them know you got it, and then you're all good to go. Now, one other thing you're going to want to know when you go to open this account is they do check in with us, with Vantage, to make sure we've done our due diligence, so we know who you are, that you're not trying to launder money or some crazy thing like that. So you do want to make sure and let us know that you want to open an account. So you can either go to contact page and shoot us a message here. You can send us an email at our email, hello@Vantage. You can call us, you can text us, but do something. You got to reach out to us and say, hey, here's my name, here's who I am. I do want to open this account. We will probably reach out and have a quick conversation with you, make sure we've done our thing so that we can give the bank the green light to open your account. All right, but that's it. Otherwise, very, very simple. Once it's set up, it's simple and easy. And our team is always here and available to help you if you get stuck in the process. So stop missing out on thousands of dollars in interest. Put your money to work. Make it at least keep up with inflation so that you're making the most of every dollar you make. It isn't how much you make, it's how much you keep. You want to keep your money working hard. All right, so we look forward to being of service to you. If you need anything, just reach out.